January 23rd, and I'm Abby.
And I'm Nikki. Here is your daily bolt of information.
Rio Salado team will be on campus Wednesday, January 31st from 7:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. in the library to register students for the dual enrollment in English, Fine Arts, and Foreign Language courses. Final deadline is February 5th, but we would like to complete registration prior to this date. If you are new to Rio Salado, please see attached flyer on the DV website. Fill out and sign the financial responsibility and consent and bring it to the library along with your copy of your birth certificate. Any questions, please call Rio at 480-517-8080.
Seniors, now is your opportunity to pay and sign up for early registration to the exciting Grad Night celebration. From now until February 6th, the price is only $90. You pay by check or cash, but it will cost you an extra $30 to pay by credit or PayPal. Bonus, you will also receive 25 raffle tickets for early purchase. These will be a lot of amazing prizes raffle of the night of the grad party. Prepare for your future with a fantastic party following DVHS commencement on May 24th.
Desert Vista Sadie's is coming up fast. The dance is featuring A Night Under the Stars on February 3rd, 2018 from 7:30 to 10:30. Tickets are $15 at the bookstore before school, during lunch, and after school. Tickets are $20 at the door. Every ticket is put into a raffle for a big prize, so don't miss out. Guest passes are available on the DV website and must be turned in for approval by January 31st. All dance attendees must have a school ID to present at the door.
Sophomores, juniors, and parents are invited to learn details about their results of the PSAT testing. PSAT score interpretation night is January 25th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. in the Marcos de Niza High School auditorium.
Make sure you pay attention to the AP exam timeline. February 1st is your first day to request to take the AP exams on the total registration website. Go to the DV website, Academics, AP Course and Info, and scroll to the bottom and click on the total registration link. Pay for the AP exams in the bookstore. February 7th is the deadline for students to sign up for free and reduced lunch to ensure that they get the College Board discount on their AP exams. Students need to register every school year to qualify. February 20th is the last day to register through the total registration for AP exams. February 23rd is the last day to pay for the AP exam fees in the bookstore. Students must register on the total registration before they pay for the exams. In April, look to get more detailed information about test day through email. Double check the email addresses you put into the total registration, as lots of information will come through this. And finally, May 7th and May 18th are the AP exams.
Do you have the best teacher ever this year, or do you remember the best teacher you ever had? Then give them the recognition they deserve and nominate them for a Tempe Diablos Excellence in Education Award at their website. You or a parent can nominate them for a Class Act Award or even an Inspiration Award. The online nomination process will open till January 26th. All award finalists and winners will be presented in the Excellence Education Award ceremony in May.
The Phoenix Suns are looking for high school students to once again submit their nominations for the Northern Arizona University Educator of the Month Awards for the upcoming 2017-2018 season. Check the DV website for this year's flyer outlining the promotion, as well as details on how to enter by visiting www.suns.com/NAU Educator. Now check out this teacher feature about animation and design.
When picking classes for next year's school year, check out Computer Animation Design led by Miss Rogers. She enjoys teaching her class and enjoys meeting new students who are ready to learn. If you don't take my word for it, take one of her students.
She keeps us on task, but not to the point where we can't do anything else but work. I like the class because it basically gives us a set idea of where we're supposed to go with a project, and then it's up to us to make the project happen.
Rogers is a great teacher because a little bit of freedom. I feel like I got a lot of more freedom than I do in core classes and stuff. And she keeps me on task, and class is great. I like messing with all the animations and stuff, and making it's like I just like the way cool animations work to make like them move and stuff when I get to that point.
Now let's kick it over to clubs with Max.
Relay for Life, our annual tradition in the fight against cancer, is right around the corner. We want to create a world without cancer, and we need your help. Register as a participant at relayforlife.org/Ahwatukee-Foothills-AZ. Form a team and start fundraising. Relay is at Mountain Point on March 24th and 25th. We're hosting the community's biggest slumber party, and we can't wait for you to join us. See Ms. Metzer in room C210. If you have any questions, we'll be tabling the week of February 5th. So stop by and say hello. Did you get a chance to check out the Improv Club show on Friday? Take a look at some of the fun.
Here at Delta Vista, we have an improv club where many kids go to have fun and express themselves. Our visitor Kostic has a story.
Improv is a type of theater in which there are no scripts and the actors have to improvise on the spot. Our improv club is led by Jennifer Miller and Palmira Federico.
I joined improv because, well, I love improv, and there was a club here at the school, and there wasn't one in my own school. And there was finally a chance for me to do it with other people. Well, this is my first year in a club, but I have been taking classes at Child's Play for about 2 years. Good because it really helps sometimes with anxiety. It helps you figure out what to do and when to do it, and it's really fun, and it's going to help build my acting skills.
Improv is held every Friday after school, and newcomers are always welcome.
Here are some tips on how to get used to improv. Take deep breaths when you feel nervous. If you don't have any ideas, do anything that pops into your head, and remember that no one is there to bring you down, but they're there to support you.
Improv is a community we create to bring people where they get to take their ideas they come up with on the spot, and then they apply it to their performance. And usually people will come up with comedy and skits, improvised obviously, but they don't have to be comedy.
Fruity pancakes with a side of eggs and maybe a Caesar salad. I haven't decided yet.
Don't forget, DV has lots to offer. We have dozens of clubs and organizations for you to join. So get involved. Back to you.
Before we get over to Thunder Nation with Chris, here's a quick recap from the assembly from Friday.
As you can see, students are piling in, and it's getting pretty loud in here. We're ready to see some pep. I'm here with Vanessa Garcia, who was just recognized for giving back during her 4 years in high school. How do you feel to give back?
Okay, well, it feels amazing because when I first started going to Desert Vista here, I joined the club called Thunder Buddies, and I wasn't a part of it, officer-wise or president-wise, anything like that, and my very first year, they gave more to me than I could ever in the 4 years that I've been here.
How did it feel to be recognized for all that you do?
I thought it was really heartwarming to me to know that what I did really did make that much of an impact, because every day people can do such little things or such big things, and it feels very rewarding knowing that everything that I have tried to do these past 4 years to just at least give the buddies just a little bit of what they've given me and teach them a little bit. And it was amazing. And like I was saying earlier, there was nothing that I could do that would ever compare to what they've done for me and what they've done for Desert Vista community. And if I could, I would give the award to all of the buddies because they deserve it way more than I ever could.
Hey everyone, I'm Chris and here are your DV Sports News for the week. Boys basketball hosts our rivals, the Mountain Point Pride, tonight in the Storm Center and takes on Gilbert in a home game this Friday. Freshmen start at 4, JV at 5:30, and varsity at 7. Girls basketball faces our rivals Mountain Point Pride tonight on their home court, and then they travel to Red Mountain on Thursday to take on the Mountain Lions. And to end the week, they are on the road playing against Gilbert this Friday. Freshmen start at 4, JV at 5:30, and varsity at 7. Come out and support your Desert Vista girls soccer teams as they wrap up the regular season play with their last home game. They face Corona del Sol tonight. JV take the field at 4, varsity at 6, and it's also their senior night in which the senior girls will be honored with a short ceremony between the two games. Go Thunder! Come out and support your Desert Vista men's soccer team as they wrap up regular season play with their last game. They will travel to Corona del Sol tonight. JV take the field at 4 and varsity at 6. Go Thunder! Our wrestling teams take on Basha this Thursday at DV. Freshmen and JV start at 5 and varsity at 6:30. Then, on Saturday, freshmen compete in Freshman State at Queen Creek, while JV competes in the Big 15 JV tournament at Mesquite. Wish them luck. Boys volleyball open gyms are almost over. There are only 3 dates left: January 23rd, January 30th, and February 2nd. They will be held in the small gym from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Hope to see you there. Attention girls softball. Open fields are now in session. They are from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Please come ready to work out. Any questions, please contact Coach Crown. All athletes interested in participating in track and field must attend a mandatory meeting Wednesday, January 24th, immediately after school. Girls meet in C142 and boys meet in room C183. Any questions, girls see Coach McKenzie or Klein, and boys see Coach Elliott. Both are in the science department. DV's D3 hockey team will face Corona Sunday, January 28th at 7:50 p.m. at the Scottsdale Ice Den for the state semifinals. That's all for sports. Back to you.
That's all we have for you today, DV.
Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you back here on Thursday.